Howdy everybody. Good morning, evening, hola, bonjour. I'm happy to see you back. I'm happy to be teaching. Makes me feel good. And I hope you're learning a lot and you're feeling good about yourself as well. So there was a request to... there was a problem with pixel sizes. And in this video we're going to go over a couple things. There's a way to resize tiles before they go into your engine, before they're imported into your engine, and there's a glitch that I found while making the last tutorial. The second tutorial, I'm sorry. So one of the glitches that I found that could be toying with your pixel size is that after you import your tile set, and then you create a tile set. When you create the orange one, this tile set, you want to make sure that you have the correct pixel size on X and Y before you go any further. If I was to have this on 32 by 32 and then create my tile map, then it will still render as 32 by 32, even if I come back and fix this to 128 by 128. So, in short, before you create your tile map, you want to make sure that these settings are all correct. This is the drop-down menu. You can go either one of these. X and Y, X, Y. Down is X and Y. That one's actually labeled if it makes things easier. And the other way to change sizes before you import them into your engine is to download GIMP. I will not be using Photoshop because I cannot afford a Photoshop subscription right now. However, that would be my preference. This one works just as well though. The download link will be in the description. It's a open source community made image manipulation program. So once you've downloaded it, you want to go to File, Open. My tile is on the desktop and it's labeled Tile 7. So I'm going to open it. And as you can see, tile 7 on my desktop is 128 by 128. So we want to resize that to 32. When you have this all opened up, it's pretty simple. Go to Image, Scale Image, and you'll be greeted with this screen. And right here on the top, width and height, just type in 32. And it should automatically correct. If you want custom properties, unclick this chain right there. I don't recommend you do that because you're going to end up with a very similar problem. Click Scale, File, Export As, and I'm just going to put a C for complete, tile7c.png. Export. And now we have two images. One right here for tile 7 at 128 by 128, and then we have another one right here for tile 7c at 32 by 32. So another thing that I would like to dive into a little bit while this tutorial is going is inside the game. Let's say you're playing your game. That looks kind of big, doesn't it? That's not the right size. That wouldn't look very good on a phone. So, to change the width in your viewport, you would think, well, to begin with, let's go into Content, 2D Sidescroller BP, Blueprints, 2D Sidescroller Character, into the actual blueprints where we were working last time. This should look familiar. On the top left, there's going to be a viewport tab, and then you'll see your character. So you'd think that you could just take the camera and slide it back a little bit. Compile, save. But you'll notice that that's not going to work. It does the same exact thing. So to change your viewport size, this is what you've got to do. Control Z to step back. It's a backspace, kind of, in Unreal Engine. Compile, save. And the camera boom, this is going to be the arm length right here. On the right-hand side, you're going to find all of your settings. I found the sweet spot to be about 600. And then on the top left, instead of camera boom, you want side view camera component. And under that same tab, you're going to find ortho width. I don't remember what this is. Orthographic. I remember working with orthographic, so let's try... Let's try 1024 and see what that does. That didn't do anything. Give me just a moment. I know the setting is right over here somewhere. I will come back with an update. Alrighty, I'm back. This had changed a little bit since the last time I used it. So there's two different ways to do this. One, you can leave it how it is. I don't recommend that. The other way is to, on orthographic, it is now overscan is how you change the size of your sprites and the view and everything. Oops, I forgot to compile. Compile, save. Yeah, I guess it's called overscan now. And then you can change how your character scrolls. And the other method is to change to perspective on the right hand side, and that's going to change the background and how it interacts with your camera. So on mine, I think I'm going to go with orthographic, and I'm going to go with 0.5 on overscan. I kind of like that. And I also learned that the background, you can scooch that up quite a bit without any glitches. So you're going to have to play with it and figure out what works best for you. But this looks very suitable for my game, so that's what I'm going to use. And I hope that covers all the tiling issues, all the camera issues, all the glitches. And I hope your game is coming along great, and in the next one we're going to get into a little bit of coding. I think that's everything. I think it is. I'm going to build the level a little bit. while we listen to music.